Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website builder. First, clearly define your target audience and their specific needs. This will guide your feature set. Next, plan core functionality such as a drag-and-drop interface, a wide selection of customizable templates, and responsive design capabilities. Finally, select a robust technology stack that supports scalability and high performance, ensuring your builder can grow with its users. This foundational work is crucial for a successful platform. Now, let's dive into design and development. Focus on creating an intuitive user interface that makes website building accessible for everyone, regardless of technical skill. Implement a powerful backend system to efficiently manage user accounts, website data, and hosting infrastructure. Consider integrating essential third-party services like payment gateways, analytics tools, and SEO optimization features to provide a comprehensive solution. This integration expands your builder's capabilities significantly. Before launching, rigorous testing is paramount. Conduct comprehensive testing across different devices, browsers, and operating systems to ensure a seamless user experience. Actively gather user feedback during beta phases to identify and address any bugs or usability issues. Develop a compelling marketing strategy to attract your initial user base, highlighting your builder's unique selling points. A smooth launch depends heavily on these preparatory steps. Finally, let's discuss monetization and growth. Implement a flexible pricing model that includes various subscription tiers, catering to different user needs and budgets. Offer premium features, custom domains, and advanced analytics as add-ons to create additional revenue streams. Continuously update your platform with new templates and tools to keep users engaged and attract new ones. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.